Marketing today is all about balancing tech and creativity. Whether it's understanding data, how your campaigns are performing, or whether or not that latest creative ad that went out is actually working or not. Bridging this gap can feel overwhelming and can sometimes cause frustration. In this video, I'm sharing 5 resources to help you bridge the gap between tech and creativity to unlock your greatest potential on the web. Resource number 1 is Figma. Figma is a user experience, user interface design software that enables creatives to build out intuitive user interfaces that align with their brands and that can easily be handed off to dev and tech teams to build these interfaces, whether it's a website or a web application. Even mobile apps can all be built and prototyped out in Figma. Figma has AI capabilities to help automatically create wireframes if needed, and it also gives developers really nice specifications on how to build out your designs on the web. Resource number 2 is Zapier. Zapier is a connector tool that allows you to connect the different tools that you use to pass data and automate routine tasks like collecting reporting or sending out some special emails or notifications, or when a support ticket's hit on your support app, a ticket in your project management system's automatically created. As a marketer, you're not only responsible for the design, the rollout, and the effectiveness of marketing campaigns, but you're also starting to get responsibilities around what's called marketing tech, which is connecting your website, CRM, email marketing platform, and more, all within an ecosystem that encompasses and supercharges your business. So understanding how to connect and flow data using a tool like Zapier would be really helpful. Resource number 3 is Miro. Miro is a digital whiteboard space where you and your team can collaborate in real time. You can build out flowcharts, you can strategize, brainstorm, run team retrospective meetings to figure out what's going well, what's not going well, and how you can get better, and a wide variety of other templates and tools within Miro to help fuel and spark your creativity and get those ideas out in a digital collaborative space. Resource number 4 is Google Looker Studio. It used to be Google's Data Studio, and this is where you can connect multiple data sources to visualize your data in a nice visual dashboard, whether it be line graphs, bar graphs, or whatever other type of way that you want to plot your data. And resource number 5, I'm sure everyone out there is using this by now, but Canva is becoming industry standard for design. So whether that's logo design, even mocking up web pages, email campaigns, banner ads, print materials, whatever, Canva can handle it. And then Canva also has AI capabilities now to automatically generate things based on your brand guides. You can load in your brand styles and spin up designs really quickly with Canva. So just to recap, UX.UI, Figma all the way. Automating your data and workflows, Zapier is a great tool for that. Collaborating in real time in a digital whiteboard environment, Miro is going to be your team's go-to for getting those ideas out. Google Looker Studio can bring all of your data into one dashboard for you to analyze and easily view. And Canva is the new industry standard for designing on the web. And if you're not already using Canva, I definitely highly recommend that you give that a try, because it's like Adobe and Google Docs and slides and the ease of working online just combine and have this amazing, super powerful tool. If you found this video helpful and you want even more tech tools to help your marketing team grow, click the link in the description below and sign up for Yohdev's top 25 tech tools of 2025. Take care.